How do you send money from GCash to PayPal? So you can't directly send money, but there is a clean workaround. Step 1, link your accounts. Open GCash on the bottom right, tap profile, and then my linked accounts, and then hit PayPal. Log into your PayPal account, and then link it successfully, of course. No cash in from your PayPal. Inside GCash, tap cash in, and then PayPal. Enter the amount, of course, confirm the transfer, and this pulls money from PayPal into GCash. But now here's the important part. There is no direct send to PayPal button in GCash. So if your goal is to move money to PayPal, you'll need a workaround. So you need to send money from GCash to a bank and then use the bank to fund PayPal or use PayPal linked cards or third party services. Important reminder, your PayPal must be verified, names should match between accounts, and currency conversion fees may apply. So, if you just need the money in PayPal, it's usually easier to receive funds there directly instead of transferring. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.